Oh my God, I am brain dead. I was making my chocolate syrup that goes over ice cream and stuff, and I forgot to turn the camera on. I did not realize it until I got it put into the jars. Oh, this is the kind of day I'm having. So anyway, I'm going to put the instructions at the bottom, you know, in the comment section and stuff for the video, but it's a really super easy recipe. And I'm going to be taking these to the fair. We have to give one for the judges to taste, and then one sets out for the public to see. So now I'm going to put the seals and the rings on these, and I'm going to hot bath them. Okay, so sorry about messing up the video. I have these now in the canner, in the hot bath, and you're going to let them hot bath for 15 minutes for pints. Oops, sorry. I'm going to tell you the recipe, and then I'm also going to post it. So it's 1.5 cups of water, 3 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of Dutch cocoa, processed cocoa, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. And you're going to put it in a pot, and you're going to whisk it all together and bring it to a boil. And then you're going to keep whisking it until all the solids have dissolved, and they're going to reduce it and keep stirring it, and you're going to do it for another 15 minutes until it starts to thicken, and then you take it off and you pour it in your jars. So we're going to let this go for 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, so here's all the wonderful chocolate sauce. I'm going to put the recipe in the comments under the video. I'm sorry that I didn't get the camera rolling to show you how to make it, but it's very simple. You just put all the ingredients in a pan and stir it up, and you heat it up for about 15 minutes or so. That's about it. And this will stay on the shelf over a year. I've had it up to 2 years. This is perfect for Christmas gifts. Oop, there goes a ping. And this is one of the items that I'm going to be taking to the fair this year is my hot chocolate sauce. Anyway, if you have any questions, shoot me an email.